So we started the last section in the pre-security path on TryHackMe. We are at the Windows Fundamentals Part 3 section. Today we'll read about Windows Updates, task number 2. Let's start things off with Windows Update. Windows Update is a service provided by Microsoft to provide security updates, feature enhancements, and patches for the Windows operating system and other Microsoft products, such as Microsoft Defender. Updates are typically released on the second Tuesday of each month. This day is called Patch Tuesday. That doesn't necessarily mean that a critical update or patch has to wait for the next Patch Tuesday to be released. If the update is urgent, then Microsoft will push the update with the Windows Update service to the Windows device. Refer to the following link to see Microsoft Service Update Guide. In the Microsoft Service Response Center, yes, Microsoft Security Response Center, Customer Guidance and Security Update Guide. Here you can read all about the updates on Windows. Windows Update is located in Settings. See below. Let's jump on Settings. You can jump on Settings and then choose Update and Security as you see here. Where is it? Where is it? Where is it? Right here. Or you can just say Update, Windows Update Settings. And we are in the same place. If, for instance, we go home, jump again, boom, same location. Tip: another way to access Windows Update is from the Run dialog box or command by running the command control name Microsoft Windows Update. Let's check that. We go here, we say CMD, boom, we paste it and we jump. Yup. Let's close this and let's rerun the command. There you go. So control/name Microsoft Windows Update. Also, you can use run. Also in here, you can, let me see, we say control/name and you just launch it again. In the attached virtual machine, there are a few things to highlight. The Windows Update settings are managed. Typically, home users will not see this type of message. We are not the home user, we are admins. There are no available updates available for the virtual machine. The attached virtual machine does not have internet access to communicate with Microsoft to obtain new updates. Throughout the years, Windows users have grown accustomed to pushing Windows updates off to a late date or not install the updates at all. Various reasons cause this action on being the fact that a reboot is typically required for after a Windows update. Microsoft notably addressed this issue with Windows 10. The updates can no longer be ignored or pushed to the side until forgotten. Windows updates can only be postponed, but eventually the update will happen and your computer will reboot. Microsoft provides these updates to keep the device safe and secure. Below is an image showing how a restart required looks and the several options available regarding scheduling the restart. Here we can see Windows Update restart is required. So this will appear after the update is done. Let's see what we have in here. Your device will restart outside of active hours. We have the update, the amount that occupies the update, the space on the hard disk, the status, restart now or schedule, and then a few options. And here again, some more options. Refer to Windows Update frequent asked questions for more information. Answer the questions below. There were 2 definition updates installed on the attached virtual machine. On what date were these updates installed? View in the Windows Update settings. We go Update and Security, Windows Update, Update History. Here we can see driver updates, definition updates. We care about 2 definition updates. And here we see 2 definition updates. Update for Microsoft Defender antivirus anti-malware platform and the same one here. we have a version bump. And on what date were these updates installed? Both were done 21. Amazing.